Okay guys, alright, here's the deal. We're going to be taking off these side mounts to the Ford. Alright, so this is actually a 3/4. It might be metric, but 3/4 will hang on to it. And I got a 19 mil on this side. No, I really don't care for this thing, so we'll... Alright, that's one. Alright, let's see how that turns out. I got a bunch more I gotta do. Alright guys, okay. This guy didn't want to come out, as you probably saw, so I added a little heat to it and I melted the lock nut nylon locking piece. So as you can see, it's a little stubborn, don't even want to come out of the hole. It should just pop out. So we'll have to get a little hammer on that. Hey guys, I just found out an interesting thing. I didn't look at the bolts before. I didn't look at them. These are grade 5 and they're flattening where and actually are bent a little bit. I don't know if you picked that up on the camera. They should only be using grade A bolts in here. I don't know why you use grade 5. You're asking for failures with this. So when I do mine, I'll put grade 8. I don't know if you want that for a shear. Why would you want to lose your plow? I don't know, but that's what's in here. All right, we're gonna get back to taking it apart. Okay, you guys want to check that out? No, this is coming off a little better now since I got past that one. Yeah, now it's making me a liar. Oh, jeez. The other two went pretty good. Now this one don't want to. All right, we'll try the other one. See if this one will come off. Well, this one's really boogered up. I don't know what they got on here. That's not the same size nut. Give it a spin. Now you see where that's going. We're getting this back out. Now with mine, I have lost the handle on mine, so there's no handle for me to grab onto anymore. So my fancy trigger. Heat that up. I gotta get to it before it gets cool. to see if I could get it to spin a little bit. Maybe that'll break it loose. This thing is just... Wow. As you can see, things are going fantastic. Fantastic. Alright, another one. See if this will come. No, it looks kind of like it was welded here. Oh, it's hard to tell. Ah, it's just garbage. I got to heat her up again and get her hot. Well, fancy lighting tool. I think you guys will have to catch the drift of this, right?